Shenseea was in Atlanta last night, and people from the looks of things, it look like she shell the show. You see me, so I have some clip for show no, right after this.
Sing happy birthday for Shenseea on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Number 1, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, so me I tell you say Shenyang shell down Atlanta last night. You see me, crazy. The amount of people turn out is surprising. But then again at Atlanta, and we've been see what go on at Atlanta, right? We see a whole heap of other people, you know what I mean, Dexter Daps passed through there. You know, Atlanta and New York look like, you know, them safe to go party right now. Well, do not take my word for that. Because me no know, me no live one of them place there, you see me? But from the looks of things, we just say. So we didn't know say Shenseea have a show because she post on her Instagram and say she got there Atlanta and it was last night. You know what I mean? Me no know where else she have show in the US or where else, you know what I mean, outside US or Jamaica. We don't know right now. But me have some clips to show now where she go out with this are mostly like highlights, you know what I mean? So it look good, people. It's a good look, you know. She get to perform the big song, lighter song, and the people them love it. And she perform some of the other hits, them, you know, the side chick anthem, you know, all of them song there. A side chick song, me mean, sorry. Shenyang anthem, side chick song. Don't forgive me for that, you know. So, I'm going to show you what I go on, right? So, let's check out some of these clips from last night in Atlanta. Shenseea live in concert. Here goes.
Be up in my feeling to your next girl. Be why you rock up, you never plan down. Money be out. The money make me happy. You want me to go on it. It's an original side chick song. Be up in my feeling to your next girl. Be why you rock up, you never plan down. Money be out. Wife be out. One side chick. No, it's an over. Every day I read nothing. I say, what's singing this? Your time when you be up. What we do?
I'm gonna talk to my ladies. Ladies, una Shenyang? Real
Sing happy birthday for Shenseea on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to
Yes, people, so this is the show they lit, right? And Shenseea fans them bring some flowers at the show and give her flowers. You see me? So she have this whole heap of roses. I don't know what she gonna do with that or what I gonna go. I mean, I even know. You see me? But that's good. That's a good gesture from her fans, right? So big up all of the Shenyang them. Now, people, let's talk about the fact that so many people turn out for this show, right? Cause even one video I see on Rummy's story when he might drive in, he might show like in the parking lot and I show how many vehicles out there and he must say dance ram, you know what I mean, two side full of vehicles. So I assume say most of the show them where we are going to see the artists them perform are mostly like New York, New Jersey and Atlanta. The same place them where them been a perform, right? Cause like I mentioned, Dexter Daps just did like Dexter Daps was in New York I think and he was also in Atlanta. I'm not sure if him there at Jersey or whatever. But you know what I mean, from the first show I see it was like Lava. Lava did got two dance New Jersey or in New Jersey and Philly. You know, bear with me because I try to remember them things from what I see. Right? And then we see Chenille Muir at a show also in New York, Washington DC. So I try to make you understand the place them where really open up for show. Spice also have a show in Orlando, but it's a day event. So compared to Shenseea, them we see I do nightclub at Atlanta and Dexter do nightclub and them thing there. I guess in Florida a day event. Or maybe the promoter them just set that for day event. So I don't know people, but if you're in any of them area, you know, and you feel like you want to support your artists, you know now, so them I go did it, and you know you can follow up with them. And no. So I like to see it, I like to see the artists them at work, but at the same time, we don't have to be safe still. You know, I'm not going to say much about that. So I want to get into the comment section and I want to tell me what I feel about Shenseea's show last night. And you know, if there's a show coming up in your close by vicinity, if you will be there or not, right? So that brings us to the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, the real champion. You saw me, so big up on yourself. Thank you for being here, liking, sharing, and commenting. So thank you everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.